Coaches often get confused between workshop, webinar, masterclass, challenges, bootcamp, and they completely get confused and they don't know where to get started. In this video, I'll talk about the difference between the top 4 type of customer acquisition model, how you as a coach, you can acquire clients through different formats. So let's get started. So all these formats we call as a one-to-many events. So when it comes to scale, you address like same 1 hour effort, but you address to thousands of people. So now let's understand the top 4 format that maximum coaches use to leverage and to acquire clients. I will tell you as for your stage, coaching stage, which one would be best. For the last 5 years, I have been using one-to-many model to acquire my coaching clients. And I am here to help you how you can get started too. So let me get into the first step, which is a webinar model. Normally it's something that happens 90 minutes to 2 hours, where you talk about 3 secrets, you give quick information about your topic, and you give a sales pitch at the end. This is the webinar model. This is very good model to convert your clients with the shortest time possible. Then comes to the workshop model. In workshop, you go 2 to 3 hour workshop, which is in depth. You can make people to take some action, some activities, and you can give a mini win as well, which will help your audience to take informed decisions by experiencing something. Most of the people, they believe doing workshop, even including me, because I feel like giving some kind of a mini transformation in the workshop. In the last 4 years, I've been consistently doing workshop. If you want to attend my workshop, do check out the link below in the description, which will help you to attend my workshop. Now come back to the workshop model, which help people to understand in a deeper way about something. This is where you can give a tangible results as well. And in workshop, when you give a mini results, there is a possibility that people will also take higher membership, not just front-end offer. You can even directly sell back-end offer as well. Maybe you can ask people to book a call with you, a clarity call, to take a bigger decision. So based on your goal, which one that you want to sell, you can decide. When it comes to webinar, we always recommend to sell your front-end offer. Again, there is nothing hard rule about that, which program that you want to sell. You can sell any program of yours in each model. And third, which is a bootcamp model. This is the extension version of a workshop, I would say. Like in workshop, you spend 1 day, 2 to 3 hours. In bootcamp, we spent 2 to 3 hours for 3 long days. To actually give, you can charge for this kind of bootcamp, or you can do it only for your front-end members. This is a customer acquisition model to even sell high tickets, your premium tickets program, or live events where you actually normally charge premium, or even mastermind. So what happens in a bootcamp where people spend a lot of time with you and they get breakthrough, real results, which will help them to take decisions going for a bigger commitment, which is your high ticket products, premium value products that you want to sell. 4, which is challenge. Challenge is mostly action oriented, highly interactive. A lot of people do gamification around it to give some points to achieve some goodies, some kind of gifts at the end of the challenge. You can do 5-day challenge, 7-day challenge, 14-day challenge, 21-day challenge based on the nature of your program. I see people do health challenge of 14 days, 21 days. So average that I've seen a challenge is a 5-day. As minimum 5 day would be a best way to get started. Then we can expand based on your goal, where each day you will not spend 2 to 3 hours, but maybe 1 hour would be enough. But every day that you will give some task to do it. That way people will be taking action each day, and when they take action, they get some kind of a results, some kind of a tangible results, some kind of shift, and that will eventually help them to take a next step decision, so that they don't want to lose the momentum, they want to move forward. So now let me tell you what I use all this format for. I've done all formats, but what worked for me is a workshop model where I give them action in the live workshop, they will take some action, and I sell my front-end offer, which is my gold membership, the workshop that I do once in a week. Mostly 3 times in a month, sometimes 4 times in a month. But when it comes to bootcamp, the second format that I personally do, which is to give an offer to my high level membership, which is my yearly coaching program. That is my high ticket, that is my premium value program. So based on your goal, you decide which one that you want to do. There's nothing called this is the best, this is the worst. Depend upon your goal and something that you aligned with. Some people says challenge is working, some people says webinar is working. I would say you test whichever that you feel like doing it. That's the best way forward. Do let me know in the comment box which one that you would like to move forward, or maybe you can choose 2 format and start testing it. If I have to sum up and give you one tip is, you will get to know which one working for you by doing it for a consistently over 3 months. At least you need to do one format for 5 times, 10 times to understand whether that format is really working for you or not. Sometimes we need to work on ourselves, sometimes we need to work on our energy, our intention, our mindset to make it work. It's not about which one works best, it is all about which one that you really want to make it work. Thank you for watching. Do share with someone who you feel that they are completely confused where to get started and they can take benefit out of it. Thank you for watching once again. Do subscribe to my channel. You will get notified with a lot of valuable content to grow your coaching business. Thank you.